Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there lived a young shepherd boy. Every day, his job was to watch over the sheep grazing on the hillside. At first, he liked his job. The sun was warm, the breeze was gentle, and the sheep were fluffy and cute. But soon, he got bored. What can I do for some fun? He wondered. Then he had a naughty idea. He took a deep breath and shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! Help! A big scary wolf is coming!" The villagers heard the boy's cries and came running up the hill to save the sheep. But when they got there, no wolf! The boy giggled. "Hee hee! I tricked them! That was funny!" The villagers were not amused. "Don't call for help when there's no danger," they warned and walked back down the hill. The next day, the boy got bored again, so he did it again. "Wolf! Wolf! Help!" he yelled, pretending to be scared. The villagers ran up the hill again, panting and worried. But guess what? No wolf! The boy laughed. "They believed me again! Ha ha!" The villagers shook their heads. "One day, no one will believe you!" They warned and walked away, grumbling. Then one evening, something real happened. A big hungry wolf appeared from the woods. The boy's eyes went wide. "Oh no! A real wolf! What do I do?" He jumped up and shouted as loud as he could, "Wolf! Wolf! Help! A real wolf is here!" But down in the village, the people just shook their heads. "Oh no, not again," they sighed. "He's just playing tricks." Nobody came. The wolf chased the sheep, and the boy could do nothing to stop it. He was scared and sad. When he finally returned home, he told the villagers what had happened. "I promise! This time there really was a wolf!" he cried. An old man sighed and said, "Lies destroy trust, my boy. If you lie too many times, no one will believe you, even when you're telling the truth." The boy learned his lesson. From that day on, he never lied again. And guess what? He became the best shepherd in the whole village. Moral of the story: always tell the truth, because if you lie too much, no one will believe you, even when it really matters.